Okay, here for card six, we have another two-part question. So this graph shows a linear relationship between the number of comic books Pilar buys at the store, X, and the amount of money in dollars she has afterwards, Y. So this is the number of comic books she's buying, and then this is how much money she has left in her wallet afterwards. So if we think about that situation, where the line starts, your y-intercept is the starting amount of money she has before she buys comic books. Then, as she buys more comic books, the amount of money in her wallet is going down. Okay. So A says to write an equation for this line. Well, we have a starting amount and we can find the slope of the line. The slope of the line will tell you how much it costs per book. So our slope for this line is the cost per book. Okay. Her starting amount here, her y-intercept, is the amount of money she started with. So our B is $20 that she started with. Our M, so our rise here is 4 blocks, but notice each block is going up by fives. So if we have 4 boxes, we want to multiply it by 5, which is the same as this rise of 20. So we have a rise of $20 and a run. This is from 0 to 5. She's spending $20 on 5 books. So $20 per 5 books. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Notice this line is decreasing, so our slope is -4. So she is losing $4 per book. The amount of money in her wallet is going down $4 per comic book. So the equation for this line are y equals mx plus b, y equals -4x plus 20. So our equation tells us she started with $20 and the money in her wallet is going down $4 per book. So if Pilar buys 3 comic books, how much money will she have left? That's a little difficult to tell from the graph because that's not one of our pretty points. But we can put 3 into the equation for x because we know x is our number of comic books. So I can figure out how much it would cost per comic book for 3 comic books and take that amount away from her starting amount. So I can either just think 3 comic books at $4 a book and then subtract that from the original, or just replace it in the equation. So I put 3 comic books in for X. -4 times 3 is -12 plus 20. This is that same idea as it cost her $12 for those 3 books. So I want to subtract the $12 from her starting amount of money. -12 plus 20 is 8. So she will have $8 left.